woman's clause. You might want to get some rest. You see, tomorrow begins vacation season for me, which means a 3-month honeymoon for us. Nothing tropical. You do not want to see this in a Speedo.
Don't be late.
It is so ridiculous. Boys, we got some toys in the
This Christmas,
Frankie's barn is in my horn.
get lit with an entire week of The Simpsons.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry everyone!
7 days of non-stop holiday cheer. This eggnog is terrible.
Oh, eggnog is terrible. My lungs are full of candy cane dust. Hey, look what I got. They tickle me crusty.
Hey, kid, get your finger out of there.
Continues Thursday at 8 on FXX and always on FX Now.
This cheeseburger and shake for $3.99 might be the best deal ever.
Next time I'm buying.
Okay, let's shake on it, okay?
TJ's antics regarding real ice cream shakes and cheeseburgers are void if Pete is wearing a sweater and a plaid shirt.
Oh, man.
Get a cheeseburger and a small hand mix shake for just $3.99. This is Hypersonic.
Hey, yo, we believe in waiting under the mistletoe. Maybe you should find your own mistletoe.
Welcome to your super secret gifting world. Coming in, we've hidden something for everyone on your list. Gamers, superfans, the chic, the sleek, and pretty much everyone.
How does Dove Men Plus Care Invisible go beyond sweat protection?
Doesn't say my clothes. I don't get the underarm
Pisses. Well, we couldn't have said it better ourselves. Try Dove Men Plus Care Invisible for anti-yellow stain and anti-white mark protection.
Let's get the one with the candy cane.
Well, you know, wrapping paper doesn't make the holidays. It's what's inside the
Make the phone turn off.
Okay, well, it's also what's inside the phone.
Cricket?
No, the network.
So the network is inside the phone?
Well, no, the network's around the phone. Verizon is the most rewarded network ever. That's why more people count on it. There you go.
A gift is only as good as the network it's on. So give any Google Pixel 2 and get $300 off with no trade-in required.
You came in here all right, ready to save lives.
Surgery's canceled.
Can't do that.
There's nothing you can do.
If it were easy, everyone would be a doctor because this is